low voltage. I want you first to do the following. Please follow up with me step by step. Let's do it together. So I want you guys to go to E7. Do you guys see where E7 is? Right underneath E7, there is the view that you guys, floor plan tool. Did you guys bring a floor plan like this that say low voltage? Are you there? The first thing you need to do here, when you double click on this, you need to clean it up. That's called the cleaning. Shall we? Is yours as ugly as mine? Or yours is cleaner? Okay, if it's as ugly as mine, let's go VV. So double VV. Let's go, oops, VV it. There you go. Are you guys there with the VV? Visual graphics, thumbs up, Chad? Yep. Okay, now you told me when we did the advising that I'm fast. Should I go slower? Okay.
No, this is fine.
This is okay. Please say, Chad, hold your horses. Okay. All right. Let's the first
synchronizing real quickly.
You're synchronizing. Okay.
I'm there.
Import categories. Grab the one that says import categories. Cool. Go get rid of all this junk that we brought in other sheets. Do you guys understand that when you bring a CAD file into Revit, it brings it to all the views? Have you noticed that by now? It brings it to all the views, and we have to clean the views as we go through. Can you guys go clean all these? Everybody, clean them. We might have to the floor plan. Leave the floor plan. Remember the floor plan? Leave the floor plan, guys. Anybody knows why the floor plan we need it? Yep, the floor plan. Because of the text, it tells me where things are. One more time. Here we go, right here. So do you see that says that one? Yeah, leave this one. Everybody, everything is unclicked except this one. Expand it. Make sure all the layers are turned off except one, which is the one that says the text here. Are you guys with me? Everybody's good? The floor plan is that one here. Right here. Looks like ELEC commercial. That's the one that we expanded. Here you go. It looks like this. You guys got it? Okay. You want to keep only the one that says frame text. FLR empty text. This is the one that has the names, Kerry. Remember the names of the places so you know where you are. When you guys are done, give me a thumbs up, please. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. There's my friend. Okay, you guys need to clean a little bit. Okay, so this is cleaning the view. Before we clean, otherwise it's going to be a mess. Okay? Clean it. Okay, the only thing you need to leave is FLR. This is just a text. So it looks like this, right? Cool. Shall I hit? Now, before you hit OK, let's go to the model category right here. Model category. Imported category should look like this, right? And this in terms of that text here. Okay. Then let's go to the model category. Now let's go turn things on and off. Before we start, can you guys hit the show categories from all disciplines right here, this button here? So that will show me the floors and the ceilings and everything else. Can you make sure this button is clicked? Thumbs up, Chad. Yes, no? Andrew and Darren, you guys are good? Okay. All right, so now I want to remind you, gentlemen, this view is what? Low voltage. Anything that's not low voltage, we need to unclick. It's like layers, turn it off. We're going to turn it off. Okay, so let's go start from the top. Let's start with the electrical. Electrical equipment. Can you guys see that one here? Unclick. I don't want to see the receptacles and the switches and all this stuff. Right underneath it, a lighting fixture. Do I need to see the lighting fixture when I'm looking at low voltage? Under E, unclick the lighting fixture. Keep going. Fire. Can you guys see fire alarm devices? Should make sure it's clicked. You need to show the fire alarm devices, right? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Furniture. Keep going. HVAC zone. Keep going. How about lighting fixture? Can you guys see where it says lighting devices, lighting fixtures? Everybody can see that? Unclick lighting devices. Unclick lighting fixtures. Everybody got that? Yes, no? Am I going too fast? So we're cleaning the view. We're cleaning a view. Okay, keep going. Mechanical equipment, unclick. Nurse calling, leave it. Parking, leave it. What else clicked here that we need to do? Roof, we'll leave it for now. Security devices. Can you guys see security devices? Leave it. Special equipment, leave it. Did I miss any? Telephone, can you see where it says telephone devices? Telephone devices, leave it. Did you guys clean yours like for the best? If you made a mistake by forgetting one or two, what do? Go back and get them. Huh? Okay, you can VV. Let's go hit OK. OK will apply the settings. Before you hit OK, do me a favor. Go back to imported categories. Does it look like this? Yup, Chad. Go to the monospace. Is it clean like I want it to be clean? Yup, Chad. And OK it.
What layer are these?
All right.
Few people on?
Oh, the VV.
Regulars.
Yeah, let's leave them for the time being. We can turn them off at any time. Okay, everybody can see that, guys? Everybody can see that? All right. So your view should look exactly like mine with only the offices and the names. And can I have thumbs up, Chad? Now, some of you guys might look at these, the sections, and say, Chad, they're in my way. Do me a favor. If you have a section, leave the section here for the time being. Don't mess with the section. We will turn these section hide in place way at the end. Because this particular section, anybody knows what this section is doing here?
Yeah, for the panels.
That's for the, no, this particular, that's
The riser.
riser. This section, I put this one to look at lights. Just to see the height of the light. I need thumbs up when you guys are looking at what I'm looking at. Okay? All right, gentlemen, this is step number 1, is cleaning the view. Cleaning the view. Okay? Every team is good by cleaning the view? Okay. Now I want to remind you, when you go to E7, okay, so as long as we are on E7, I want to remind you the low voltage system is going to look like this. Your sheet, can I have thumbs if you go to E7? And inside E7, the view is coming from floor plan. Can you guys see it's coming from floor plan to, for me, it's coming from floor plan to floor plan low voltage. Can you guys see that? That's the view. Okay. Before you move on, I want to do one thing here. Do you guys see what Chad says? I need E floor plan low voltage. Where the heck is E7.1? Oops. Where's E7.1? We don't have it. Let's go create a sheet that says E7.1. Shall we create a sheet, guys, before we even move on? Okay, do me a favor. Are you guys where, is E7 highlighted? Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Thumbs down? Yep. Right click on it. Right click. And I'm going to go add, actually the way we're going to do it, not this way. Okay, I lied to you. We're going to go all the way up to the sheets. Can you guys click on sheets? Make sure you click on sheets. I'm going to go right click, new sheet. Right, now we're going to create a new sheet. New sheet. Now this is where you guys are going to, okay, new sheet, click on new sheet. Now do you guys remember the title block that I told you to name it a right name so we can use it? Do you remember the title block? Make sure you pick the right title block. Do you guys have more than one or just one? Okay, the one that has your team, remember we added one that has your team on it, right? That's the one that you want. Okay, gentlemen, you got yourself a new sheet. You got yourself a new sheet. Okay, now let's go back and naming this sheet. Click on the name here. Can you guys see we're here, right here? I'm going to call this one 7.1. 7.1. Cool? All right, everybody's okay with that one? So, oops, what the heck is that, Chad? Is that 7.1? Good grief. 7.1, cool. Click on the name here. I'm going to call it low voltage riser. Okay? And that's the only two things that you need to change here, gentlemen. Everything else, the author. Who's the author? I'm going to say CSK for me. Who checked it for me? For you guys, checker is going to be CSK. Make sure you fill these before you leave this area. I just created a new sheet. Thumbs up, Chad. You guys remember how we did that at the beginning? We created a new sheet. Cool? When you guys are done, I need thumbs up.
We can do that by right-clicking on the E11 one.
Yes. Yes. Or you can directly click on the sheet, this one, and the draw by and check by need to be modified. Cool? All right. So now your sheet, gentlemen and ladies. We don't have ladies, so gentlemen only. Your sheet will look exactly like this. Brand new sheet, ready to accept what? Ready to accept things. Ready to accept things. I need... Okay, let me slow down. I need every team, my friends, to give me a thumbs up when you guys are done. Starting the back, you guys are good? You're good? You're good?
I just got finished.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. How about Joe? You guys are good? Yeah, nice. He's good? Okay. So why did I do this? Why did I do this, guys? Because I want to create sheet key 7.1 so I can put my risers in. So I put my risers in. Cool? Now, Darren, if sheet 7.1 was not enough to put my risers, it will be enough for you guys. What do? Create sheet 7.2, 7.3, and you keep going this way. Did you guys hear me? How we're going to do it? Okay. All right. So let's go see where did they put 7.1? It should be put right underneath 7, right? So when you go 7, here's 7.1 right underneath. That's the reason why we call it 7.1.
I didn't do it. Yeah, I still look at the sheets. I did.
It should be under the sheets
Yeah, but it's not under the voltage.
right here. Did you name it E 7.1?
Yeah.
Low voltage? You might have to click a couple of clicks and come back.
It's not usually the same. You put a space after E and you set.
Ah, yeah. Make sure you guys there is a space here. Follow the same direction that we did. Exactly the same. If you don't put a space, it will put it somewhere else. Name it. Okay.
I think I named mine. That's like.
Oh yeah. If you rename it differently here, you can adjust the name right here at any time. Rename. Where's where rename? Rename, and you can adjust the name right in here. Cool.
That's what I have.
It's not there. Okay, let's go look at your stuff. Let's go ahead and so you created new layer. Now let me start with the low voltage risers. Do you guys remember what we did in low voltage in the low voltage risers for the residential project? You guys remember what we did? Has been a long time ago, Chad. All right, let's go back. Let me just take you on a quick tour here. Now for risers, you know what? Let's do them. Here's what I want you to do this time. Here's what I want you to do. Give you two options. When you do the risers, either you draft the risers in CAD and import them into this sheet, or you can draft them directly in Revit. Let's do the first option. Can you guys see where it says view here? Click on view. A drafting view. Everybody got that one? View, drafting view. It opens the drafting view here. I want you guys to call it low voltage risers. Can you guys name it low voltage risers? Don't worry about the scale. Low voltage risers. One more time. You come to view, drafting view, and call it low voltage riser, and okay it. Now, it doesn't matter. We can scale it at any time. Doesn't matter now. So here's where the view comes, guys. It should put your views under right here. Where did we drafting view? Can you guys drafting view detail? I think it brings it accidentally under mechanical, I believe. We forgot to do that. Do you guys see where it puts mine under mechanical? If you click on it, and we can adjust it by clicking on where's my mechanical E? We're gonna go to discipline. Where's my discipline here? Here you go. See the mechanical, guys? Click this one and move it to electrical. I think we should have done that from the beginning. So we'll move it to electrical. One more time. If it puts it under mechanical, gentlemen, if it puts it under mechanical, you go click right here, discipline, and adjust the discipline to electrical. When you're done, you should have a view right under the electrical. Right? Can you guys see that? Electrical, blah, blah. Here's your symbols that you brought. And here's your risers, low voltage riser. Can you have thumbs up, Chad? We got that one under electrical.
After you change it to electrical, where does it move it to?
It moves it under electrical. Question marks. And then drafting views. Okay, you got it? Are you under, look at here. Let's go back. Look at the views, guys. Are you under electrical here? Here, all the way.
Go to section. Paragraph.
Did you expand it? Yes, no?
I want us 3D views, but that's not the same thing.
Don't go to the 3D views. Don't go to the sections. Go to the drafting view at the end. Did you create a drafting? If you did not create the drafting view, if it's not there, this means you did not create the drafting view. Do you want me to help you create it? No, which one? No, don't worry about that one. The only thing I want you to worry right now is LD riser. Yeah, this is my own. Okay? Can I have thumbs up when you guys are done? Do you need me to come? Darren, your team?
Yeah. Oh, I found it.
On it? Okay.
I didn't realize that we were underneath that question mark thing here.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have it.
Cool? Okay, two options. When you go there, let me see when Andrew is ready. Are you guys good? Okay. Now right here, in this view, you can grab your annotate. See where is annotate here? Annotate. And detail lines. Remember how we did the riser, guys? Detail lines. And start drafting your low voltage riser, which you're going to see in a second. And you start basically drafting it. I'm just drafting some stuff here to show you. Okay, so you start drafting. I put the line in dotted line. Mine was defaulted to dotted lines. I can change this one from hidden. Remember how we draft, guys? Hidden into lines at any time. So you can basically, you can draft it right here. Cool. Text. Let's go annotate. Where's my text? Text. And you can call this one fire alarm control panel. You can adjust the text to match and all this stuff. Again, here's my fire alarm control panel. And you can draft the whole thing directly here. Can you have thumbs up, Chad? What to draft, we're coming to what to draft. But do you know where to draft and how to draft? And what to draft is different story. Do you know how to draft and where to draft? Can I have thumbs up for, okay? Remember how we can change the lines, guys, from any different lines into, and so forth. Okay. All right, so this is, you can draft all your riser right here. That's option what? Option one. Can I get option one ready to go? Option one? Okay. Let's go to option two. Option two, since you guys are good with CAD, what if I do it CAD in CAD? And then import it directly into this view, right? I can import it. All right. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. Do you remember the riser that you have done? I'm going to do it right now. The riser that you've done in CAD for the project is going to be very similar. So here's what I'm going to do. I would like you guys to go with me to your team all the way to the following. Go all the way online. I went into team. Who's team one? Team one. I'm going to go to team one and to the residential project, and I'm going to design drawing. And do you guys remember the risers? Where did we put the risers? Detail. I think it was under electrical details. Yep, right here. Do you guys see that? This is team one, electrical details. Remember that? Here's what I want you, like, if I were you, here's what I would do. Cool, are you there? This is just going through a folder. I'm going to go right click on this. Right click on it, copy it. Don't modify it. Right click on it, copy it. By the way, where am I, Chad? I'm right here. Can you guys see at the top? It says in my team folder, in the residential project, under design drawing, and the detail. E. Good.
We're bringing this thing from CAD.
Yes. No, don't import. We're not importing.
Just go to that file.
Just go to that file. We're not importing. I hope you're not importing now. Go to that file. Everybody's in that file? Okay, right click on that boy and copy it. And go back. Here's how you go back, guys. Click on team one. Here's my team one. I want to move, go back in your case. Let me show you where you go. Go to your team. So you copied it, right? I'm going to go to my team. After I copied it, here's Chad. I'm going to go to commercial project, design drawings, under CAD, right? And I'm going to go dump it. Right click and dump it. So this is where you're going to place it. Can you guys see how it's placed there? Everybody guys got that? Okay, placed it. Where did it go? Right here. And why don't you, in order to click on it or right click, you're here, right click and rename. I'm going to call this one low voltage riser. So I know when I see it, look where I dropped it though. I dropped it under commercial project. So I stole that piece so I can work on it. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Cool. I'm going to call it LV risers. So now I got myself a brand new CAD file. A brand new CAD file. Am I the only one who is excited today? Okay, here's a brand new file. Can I open it now? Everybody got that one? Double click on it. Now I'm going to go open it. So I copied it from the residential project. Why do you think I did that? Because we already did these risers in residential. Might as well use them, right? Or use some of them. Do you see how it expedites the process for you? Never ever invent the wheel. The wheel have been invented. You guys invented that shit. Okay. Okay, go open this file. Let me just show you a few things, guys. Open this file, double click on it. After you renamed it, the one the detail. Was it E12? Yep, you got it. Okay, here's what I pulled out of team number one after I copied it and stole it from them. Okay, it's cooking. All right, get out of here. I'm going to go to the model space. Can you guys see in the model space? Here's the risers that those guys did. I don't know if you can see them. Security panel. Do you guys see the security panel? Right? Now, Carrie, if I were you, I will edit this to match the security panel that we need to do. Meaning, you guys see the keypad, typical. We're going to have a keypad, security panel. It's going to be identical. Smoke detector, heat detector. Edit these to match what we want in the security system. You're done. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We understand that one. The first thing I know for a fact I don't want, do I want this one? Remember that junk that we brought? Delete that. I don't want it, right? I don't want the bonding. We're done with the bonding. Do you guys see the riser at the top? Do you guys see the riser at the top? The power riser? You guys create the power riser for me. Do I need this? No. Delete. So then Z enter, E enter. And you got yourself all the low voltage stuff that I need based on what you guys did that quarter. Can I have thumbs up, Darren? You and your team member? Adam and Joe? Jeff? Cool? No, you didn't have that one.
I don't have that file anymore.
Okay.
Team 4, so.
You have access to all team 4. That stuff I covered it for you.
No.
Okay, we'll work on it.
All the folders are blank for residential
Okay.
semester.
So we're removing that picture, right?
Yeah, the picture, we don't want it. You guys can edit it at your own time. But before you go there, you guys edit this one. I want to have a security riser. Here's security riser. I have two options now. Either I edit it here and import it to CAD, to Revit, one option, right? Or I can build it directly in Revit. So here's one. The other one, guys, that you want to do is, if not the furnace, security. The fire alarm panel. The fire alarm, it's going to look exactly like this. Your fire alarm, it's going to be a fire alarm control panel, annunciator panel, and all input-output devices the same. Can I have thumbs up that we understand how fire alarm is going to look like in this case? So the one that, do you guys remember the one that we said fire alarm right here? That one, the smoke detector, that's really not true here for the commercial building. So that one here, I'm going to go delete that one. It's going to be typical fire alarm. It looks like security panel. Okay. Low voltage riser. Remember how we get the phones and the data? identical to the way we're going to get the phone and data. You guys see that? Okay. I want you guys to give me a thumbs up and say, Chad, we understand. As we move on, I'll adjust it, but at least we understand how to go there and edit. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Okay. Why don't you do me a favor? Save it. Make sure you save. You remember what happened last time when we didn't save? Save it. And minimize Revit, CAD. And let's go back to Revit. Okay? When you guys are done, can I have a thumbs up? So, two options. You draft it in CAD or you draft it right here. That's for the risers. Cool? Cool, gentlemen? Gentlemen, cool or not? Yep. Okay, now, suppose we already drafted it, right? Now we're going to bring it from CAD. We're done. We're going to bring it from CAD. So remember, insert. Can you guys go to insert? We're going to do this one. Do it with me. You can delete it anytime, but do it. Insert, import CAD, and guess where I'm going to go? I'm going to go to the one that we just were editing. So this could be under, for me, where am I? Am I in team, I'm in team 10, Chad, yep. CAD. Remember that low voltage one that I was editing, the riser? I'm going to go import it. Import the riser. Don't worry if it imports it now and it's not done. Okay? Guess what happened? You guys see all the junk that came to your area here? Do you see that? It came right next to all the stuff that you have done. It will come right in here. Now, obviously, this is meaningless. Why? Because we haven't finished it yet. But that's how you bring, after you edit it, it brings it right where I was drawing. Then I think you should be able to explode it. You can explode it here and work on it here, but I suggest don't explode because it screw up the text. So finish it in CAD. Make sure it's nicer than what it looks like. Grab it closer together, right? And then, gentlemen, somebody have gas?
Yep.
Issues, okay. And import it, into CAD. I need thumbs up that we fully understand that, okay? The last step. As you guys can see, I'm not looking at the details, what to draw, as long as the process, how to draw, okay? It brought it right here. Jeff, did it bring yours?
Yeah, do we need a chime? The chime riser?
We don't. That's why we clean it. When we hold on to the cleaning, will ya? Okay, now, gentlemen, obviously that's going to screw up this. So if I hit delete, can you guys do hit delete? When it's red, hit delete because you don't want it. Hit delete, right? Okay, it deletes it because it's not ready yet. Can I have thumbs up? Now, I'm going to go drop this view into E7. When it's finished, it will be right there. So let's go drop. So I'm going to go back into E7.1. E7.1, you guys see E7.1? Click on E7.1. Here's that beautiful view of your friend Chad. Right click on it. Add a view. Which view do you think I'm going to bring here? Do you see what it says drafting view LV riser? Everybody? Drafting view LV riser. Right click, add view. One more time. Go to E7.1, right click on it. Way at the top it says add view. I'm going to add view right here. Drafting view low voltage, right? Everybody's okay with this? Hit add view. And gentlemen, you're holding your view that you have just done with your friend Chad right here. Do you see that scale down here? You can get the scale away here if you don't want it, because it's not going to be drawn to scale. You move it away, okay? Now, Terry, can you assure me, my friend, that when you import from CAD, all the stuff that you imported from CAD is going to be right here, right, Kerry? Okay. Andrew, everybody understand? Now, this is your right. I need you, all the teams, to tell me, Chad, we fully understand how we're going to do the risers. Risers are very simple. The security is identical to what we're going to do. The fire alarm panel is going to be identical to the security panel. Copy that security and edit it. Low voltage, phone and data is going to be almost the same like we did with residential. That's it. Now this is E7. Oh, here's my E7 here. Can you guys see it's under drafting view? Now I'm going to go to a different view. Before I leave E7.1 and go to E7, I want you guys to assure me that we're good, Chad. We're good? Good. Okay, let's go to E7. So now you and your partner, Joe and Adam, one of you guys will take the risers and one will take the layout of the fixtures, and you start working on it simultaneously. Okay, now we're done with the risers. How to do the risers. Now let's go how to do layout, the smoke detectors and everything inside the building. Cool? Everybody's with me? Okay, to do this, go to E7, expand E7 and E7, and go all the way to this view. Can you guys see that, this view? Double click on that one. This is the view that we have just cleaned. Everybody's in this view? Cool. Now here's what I would like you guys to do. For the low voltage, there are two types of devices. Devices number one, horns and strobes and smoke detectors, that's going to be in the ceiling. There's the devices number two, the things that's going to be in the wall, like pole stations, going to be the pole, phone and data. So there are two different types of devices. Anything in the ceiling, can I get you guys to understand this? Anything in the ceiling is going to be in the ceiling. Anything in the walls is going to be in a different view. Do you guys remember what we did for lighting? Do you guys remember how we did lighting? We worked anything in the ceiling, we worked the under ceiling. Anything in the walls, we worked the under walls. So here's where I want you to start. Everybody understand what I want to do, what I'm going to do? The view that you're going to end up with, this is the view that you're going to end up. But when you place things, you're going to place in two locations. Two locations. One ceiling, and the other one is floor. Okay, so let's go up here and edit that thing and see what we're going to do. I want you guys to go right here. Everybody's looking at this view. Make sure your view looks like my view right here. Okay? Before I start. Cool? Thumbs up? Yep. Okay. I want you guys to go right under power. Under power. Do you see where the low voltage view is? This is where you're going to place anything in the wall. Anything in the wall is going to be placed here. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We got it, Chad. Anything in the ceiling, do not drop it here. We're going to drop it in a different location. It will show up here, but we're going to drop it in a different location. If you drop it here, Joe, it will put it in the floor. That's what happened. Okay? Ceiling in a different view. So right in here, you're going to drop only anything in the walls. Like what? Phone jacks, data jacks, TVs, what else? Give me another example. Pole stations. Cool? All right. So go up a little bit, guys. And do you see where it says, now minimize this one, right under lighting. Click lighting. Do you see under lighting, you have two views, floor plan and ceiling. Do you guys have this? Floor plan and ceiling? Okay. Do you guys have that one? I want you to go to the ceiling lighting. Do you guys have ceiling lighting? Does it show all your lights that you brought under ceiling lighting? Right? I want you to do me a favor. Right under ceiling light. Very important to know where exactly which view. Are you guys looking, highlighting light, ceiling lighting? I'm going to go right click on it and a duplicate. Can you guys duplicate with details? So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find a ceiling view to put my low voltage stuff in it. I don't want to put it with lights because I don't want to delete lights, and I want to have a clean view where I can put my low voltage in the ceiling. That's what I'm doing. Okay, how do we do it? We go right here to the ceiling, right click on it, and duplicate view. You see it's duplicate with detail. Everybody's there? Duplicate. Now, when it brings it right here at the bottom, can you guys see it? Right? Do you see copy of? It's the same view. Right click on it, rename. Before you do anything, rename. In my case, since I have numbers for them, guys, I'm going to call this one 3-low voltage systems. Why it's important to name him a unique name, guys? And put ceiling. Low voltage system and dash ceiling, or some unique name. So, did I say ceiling? Okay. All right. So, I put 3 dash, so it listed right here, and I'm going to say low voltage system dash ceiling, meaning this is for the low voltage in the ceiling only. Adam, my friend, you had enough of me? Biological needs.
Too much comment.
Biological needs. Everybody's there? Now hit OK. Gentlemen, you got yourself a low voltage system ceiling. Now, Joe, when you start throwing things in the ceiling, you're going to come here. If you're going to throw things in the walls, where do we go? To the other view. Cool? All right, before we do anything, I'm going to go clean this view. Look at this view, it's ugly. I'm going to go clean it. So do me a favor, gentlemen, so I don't get confused. I want VV, please, VV. I need to synchronize here. So VV. Okay, everybody's at VV. I want to go to imported categories. I want you to do the same thing. Visual, do you see where it says visual here, guys? Click visual out. I don't know what yours shows. The only thing I wanted to show here for me really is the rooms. Can you guys clean that one and make sure only the rooms names? I think you should be able to see the names.
The name doesn't show up online, is that because you looked at the ceiling?
Because we're looking at the ceiling. I think that's why we didn't worry about it. Okay. All right. So I don't want to mess around with the elevation, so might not show it. So really, let's just do it this way and see. Okay, so we clean this view. The only thing I would like you guys to leave is just the floor. It didn't show it, right? Okay, then you go and unclick. Unclick all of them. Unclick all of them. Thumbs up, Chad. Unclicked all. Good. Hold your horses. We're in the imported categories. Now let's go to the model. For the model, I want to get rid of the following. You guys see where it's electrical equipment, fire alarm is there, fixtures, what else? Lighting fixture, lighting devices out, lighting fixture out, right? These are the only two things I want to get out and okay it. Gentlemen, you got yourself a ceiling ready for you to drop your stuff in it. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? You got yourself a ceiling ready to drop stuff, low voltage stuff in it. You can see how we clean. We have a view for us just for the low voltage. Okay? Could I have dropped it right next to the fixtures? Yes. Why do I use a view? Just clean, easy for you to drop things in. Okay. Now let's go drop. Now remember, everything you drop here, it will be showing right at the bottom here too. Can you guys see that? It will show under this floor view. That's the one I'm going to drop. But I want to put in the ceiling. Let's go to the ceiling view right here. Stay with the ceiling, will you? Stay in the ceiling and let's go do something. Cool? Okay, smoke detectors. Let's go grab a smoke detector and bring it. Right? Now we're going to start bringing devices. Now, can I have thumbs up that we are all in the ceiling? Everybody's in the ceiling? Yep. Let's go grab a smoke detector and bring it. Okay, smoke detector. So home, electrical devices. Here's cable wire. If you click on, can you guys click on devices? Do you see what it says communication, data, fire alarm? These are nursing call and security. Everybody can see that under devices. So let me see what they have under fire alarm. I'm going to drop a smoke detector, fire alarm. Synchronize with central, Chad. So I put devices, fire alarm. No fire alarm loaded. That's how it should be. No fire alarm loaded. So what do we do? Gentlemen, you are much smarter than my grandma used to be 150 years ago. Supposed to be a joke here, bro. Okay, let's go load. Okay, so it's not there. Loading. Loading two locations. I want you to start with one location. And then if you couldn't find it, go to the second. Did you guys see the order of operation? We're going to start with one, go to the second. The first start I want you, let's go load. Insert, load family. I want to go directly to the US Imperial. That's the library that we load everything from. Okay, I'm going to go under fire alarm. Okay, so let's see where we are. Fire alarm protection. No, these are the problem with fire alarm is because they are electrical information. I think information. Oh, here you go. Okay, let me just warn you of one little thing. Darren, my friend, you're my favorite for the day. Fire alarm is a joined property between us and the mechanical contractors. Can I get you guys to understand? So you're going to find fire alarm here, fire alarm protection like a sprinkler system and so forth. And you're also going to find it under electrical. So don't get confused. Certain things, most of your stuff will be under electrical. But you would find a sprinkler stuff right under here, fire protection. Cool? All right, so I want to go to electrical because all my stuff is under electrical. When you go there, information and communication, click on that. Fire alarm, click on that. Can you guys see all the fire alarm stuff that you have? Everybody's there? Okay, let's see. Let's look at them. I have a heat detector, uprod switch, input module, blah, blah, blah. Annunciator panel. Do you see that? It's right here. The chime, end of line resistor, fire alarm control panel, fire alarm door holder. So I'm looking, now you guys are going to come here and dig and find what you need. So what I was looking for, I need fire alarm smoke detector. Here's the smoke detector, heat detector. Where's my smoke detector? Fire alarm speakers, no.
It just says smoke detector. Scroll down.
All the way as, thank you. Smoke detector. Okay, I have a smoke detector here. Smoke, speaker horn, electric horn, a smoke detector beam, smoke receiver. Okay, the one that I need is smoke detector. Now, gentlemen and ladies, you guys gonna dig in here, try to find it. If you're confused, Andrew, my friend, what do you do? Ask your friend Chad. Which one do you want me to use, Chad? Can I get you guys to understand that, please? Okay, I'm gonna load just a smoke detector right here and hit open. I loaded my smoke detector. Okay, now I'm gonna go, remember the smoke detector criteria for spacing, gentlemen? Gentlemen, what was the criteria? It covers 30 by 30 feet, 900 feet. If your room is more than 900 feet, think of another one. Otherwise, how many do you need? One, solo. Let's go to the female bathroom, male bathroom, because it's my favorite. Female bathroom is for Joe. Oops, did I say that? I mean favorite. Joe, I have to pick on you today. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna go drop a smoke detector in the bathroom. So file, I'm gonna go home, electrical, devices. Everybody's with me? Electrical devices. I'm gonna go to the fire alarm. Okay, now I have a smoke detector. Smoke detector. Okay, I'm holding a smoke detector in my hand, gentlemen. Place on what? You got it. Do I repeat myself too much? Is that why you guys are mad? Do we do vertical? Vertical is what? In the wall. Face. Place on face. Right here. And gentlemen, you got yourself a beautiful smoke detector here and right in here. Okay? And exit. Okay, click on it. Click on the smoke detector. When you click, can you guys see where it's located? Everybody can see it's 9 feet. If it doesn't say 9 feet, you have just dropped it in the floor.
Why is it upside down? Like the tag is like upside down and everything.
Yes.
Click on it or something like that.
Yeah.
It's upside down. Your tag.
Okay.
How?
I just clicked on that one. You guys see that? Right click here. I put the tag. So click on it. And I'm going to go. I don't know if I should be able to edit this. Here's up here. Here's where you can put that one. Click here. You can adjust that. Okay. Hey, smoke. Everybody got the smoke? This means you have turned it's VV'd off accidentally. Yep. Just go VV it on. Do you remember the criteria? Where do we put them? Right in the center. So if you guys, in this case, it doesn't matter. Right in the center will give you the best coverage. But look how small this area is. Is this 9,900 feet? No. So you can really place it anywhere you want. But if you want to hit the center, yep. But don't sweat it too hard if you don't put it exactly in the center. Try to hit the center of the room. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Okay. Gentlemen, I'm going to look at it in 3D. So I'm going to double click on, you don't have it. And here's where my smoke detector looking at, right here. You guys, oops, I don't think it's even. Is that it? That's it. Please say no. Where did? Yeah, I looked my smoke detector in 3D. Oh, it wasn't with it. Okay, don't worry. Low voltage ceiling. I don't think it's not including it. My view here. Okay, here you go. That's why. What I suggest, guys, close that one. Oops, no. What I suggest is to have a view like this. If you look at the 3D part and oops, and click on it, see where the smoke detector is located right now. Okay, here's my smoke detector right here. Here's my smoke detector right in here, right next to the equipment. You can adjust it up. I really don't want to. You can add it up slightly here in the ceiling. Can you guys see that? I really don't worry too much about it at this point. Just drop it. I moved it up so it can be flush with the ceiling. How do you do that? You double click on this. If you have a view and you look at your fixture might be right here. Look where it is. Or I can just slide it up slightly and put it right flush with the ceiling. Same thing for the fixture. Look at the fixture that I have here, guys. I can drag my fixture. Oops. Fixtures are attached though. So I don't know if I want to flush it this way. But let's just not ignore the fixture for the time being. Let's go to the smoke detectors and put your smoke detectors here. As long as you put it 9 feet, I'm okay with it. Cool? I need thumbs up, Chad. Okay. Now, if you have a ceiling horn stroke the same way, anything in the ceiling is going to be dropped right here. Cool? Let's go to, I'm not going to do the rest of them, guys. You do them. I'm going to go drop something in the floor, in the walls. So here's the ceiling, piece of cake. I'm going to go all the way to the walls now. When I go to the walls, where do I go? Floor, low voltage floor. Okay, so here's my floor. I'm going to go to this office here and drop a data in this office. Cool? In the floor plan. We're not in the ceiling. Cool? So in the cubicle here. So let me go. I didn't load any data. Did I? I did not. So let's go insert, load family. I'm looking for a phone data. Electrical. Do you? Okay. Let's just say information, communication. Here's my options. Ethernet switch, data outlet. You guys have data outlet floor, data outlet, clock, buzzer. You can see that all the stuff is here. Pick what you need and drop it. So internet, junction box for data, junction box with telephone. Do you see, guys, data outlet telephone? Here's what I want you to do. Outlet data, telephone outlet data. This is the one that you should be using. Why? Because you have a box that can give you both of them. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Two of them in one. Huh? Oh, we are communicating. All of the low voltage is going to be in the same. Yeah, I just switched to. You know why I switched to communication? Because, guys, it's in a wall. Okay. Can you guys see that one? I had telephone outlet dual data. Can you guys see that? Everybody's there. That's the one that I think you should do. Okay, so the outlet data, telephone outlet data. So both. Open it, load it, override existing. Is it already in there? Oh, duh, Chad. But you know, it's the exercise is how to load, guys, right? All right, so let's go drop home. Yes.
See the ones that Ethernet switch in there too.
Yep. You have a lot of stuff there. So let's
It's
go.
already all loaded.
I think some of it is loaded, some of it is not. Okay, guys, go to communication. I think under com, there's no families. What was it under?
Maybe data.
Hold on a second. Devices.
Data.
Under where's data? Data here. Okay, here's data. Data outlet. I need. Where's my other one? Where did it brought?
I don't know.
Okay, I thought. Where did we bring the?
There's telephone too.
Okay, let's go devices under communication. Where's communication? See what you guys come out. I don't have anything on the under phone. Okay, this is how I brought it here. Thank you, because we brought the dual and it brought it under phone. There you go. Telephone outlet data. You might have to search if it's under phone or data, guys. You brought it. Perfect, gentlemen, perfect. And do you see that beautiful view? And up it goes right in here. This is your phone. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? Now, right next to it, it comes with a tag. I really don't worry about the tag. So as far as I'm concerned, you can delete the tag. That's all I care about. Just show the location. If you're a low voltage contractor, you can start zoning them and bringing them in different circuits and so forth. I need a thumbs up that we know how to do that one. Now, Darren, if you drop this one in the ceiling view, it will create a lot of troubles for you. That's why anything in the floor, guys, please do on the floor. Anything in the ceiling. Okay? Gentlemen, are we doing good? Pole stations. The fire alarm pole station. Okay, let's go. Fire, insert, load family. I'm going to go fire alarm, electrical, fire communication, fire alarm. I need fire alarm speaker, horn strobe, flame detector, manual station. Here you go. Can you guys see manual pull station? Jeff, of course, you wired them. You know what these are, right? These are the ones that Adam, when you were in high school or grade school, you were making a lot of troubles by tripping them because you don't want the final or the test. Anybody can admit that doing that? There's a final and then now they're removing them away from. Yeah. Yeah, they're removing them away from special schools and all the stuff because of tampering with. Anyway, we're assuming this is a commercial building, guys, so it's under control, you know. So I'm gonna go grab this one, pull station, manual pull station, load it, and I'm gonna go based on the specification. It says on every door. So I loaded it. File, electrical. This would be devices, under phone, fire alarm. Okay, here you go. Manual pull station. Can you guys see I'm holding it in my hand here? I'm going to go right here next to the door. Right next to that door. And I'm going to put it maybe right in this area here. Just in here. So right here, manual pull station. Can you guys see that? If you click on it, it's mounted at 4 feet. If you don't like the 4 feet that's mounted on, typically 4 feet is adequate based on the code. So it's mounted 4 feet, leave it alone. Cool. I think if you flip it this way, it goes this way. We don't want it. Just stay like this. Just the location. This is where my pull station, manual pull station is going to be located. Manual pull station.
Do you want those to be like in the wall a little bit like that, or do you want it to be facing?
It doesn't matter, honestly, as long as we're showing a location. You can click on it here and trip it this way, but it trips the M with it. Either.
Your M's upside down.
Yeah, it makes your M upside down. I will leave it this way. Let's look at the 3D view of it. Let me just look at the 3D view, will you? Here's a section. I'm going to look at 3D. I'm grabbing a 3D view here of that boy and click on it. Here's how it looks like, guys. It's creating a box for you. That's it. Just creating a box in the wall. Can you guys see that? Creating a box in the wall for you. Gentlemen and ladies, we have just imported a bunch of things in the wall and things in the floor. Now, where's my friend Joe? Joe, do you see the smoke detector that we dropped? Do you see the smoke detectors right here? Can you see that? The ones that we dropped. Why do I have? Oh, by the way, did we clean this view too? I don't know if you cleaned. Did you guys? I have some fixtures here. Yeah, I think we cleaned in the first. Mine is. I have lighting fixtures here left. Lighting devices, lighting fixture. I don't know why these views are still there. Interesting. What are they? What is this? Oh, cable tray. No, never mind. That's my problem. I put cable tray here. Never mind. That's not lighting fixture. Okay? Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We fully understand what we're going to be doing. Okay? Now, does that stuff bother you guys, the names? Are the names bothering you? Let's go VV and imported categories and all the way to the names and put them in a different color. It's bothering me. override, and let's put them in, oops. Okay. All right, here. There you go. Okay, what I would like you guys to do, excuse me, Aaron, I'm still talking about these guys. You can celebrate them in a second here. You can go change the color for these names, guys, if it's bothering you, if it's black or text or so forth. Anyway, any comments, any questions? What I want you to understand, is this good enough to lay out your fire alarm, security, phone, and data? Okay? Risers, summarize, my friends. Here's my riser. When you guys go down here, you go to number E7. It's going to show all the layout of your devices. Now, remember, gentlemen, when I lay out my device, do I circuit them? No. The only thing that's going to be circuited is the panels from the lighting control panel. That's all. Everything is not going to be circuited. Do I have to tag them? Do I have to tag things, guys? Do I have to tag things? Pull stations. I don't know how the pull station came. As long as you use the name, M is pull station. Just say M pull station. I'm good with that. Cool? No circuiting. Any question? We're not circuiting low voltage. We're not circuiting devices into the lighting control panel. But the panel itself, let's go drop a panel, then let you guys go. Where do we need a panel? A fire alarm panel. Fire alarm panel shall be in 107 main control panel for the fire alarm 107. Let's go to 107, guys, here. Is that a server room? Okay, 107. I'm going to go drop a fire alarm panel here. Insert, load family. I'm going to go to electrical component, communication, fire alarm, and I need fire alarm control panel. Anybody can see it? Okay. Fire alarm control panel. Can you guys see that? Okay, click on that baby. Drag it. Fire alarm. Load it. Oops. I'm holding it in my hand. What am I doing here? Click here. I'm sorry. I'm under. Yes, thank you. I should be in the right location, Chad. I was under the panel. Okay. So here's okay. Let's go see if it's here. Fire alarm devices. It's going to be in the floor plan because it's going to be the ceiling. I think it's under fire alarm.
You said it's going to be in the floor plan.
We're going to do it in the floor plan because it's a panel.
Okay.
Do they see it's going to be the ceiling? Sorry. You know what I mean. If it's in the walls, you need to go to the floor plan. If it's in the ceiling, you need to go to the ceiling plan. Am I clearer now? Things are not mixing up. Okay. Did you go under electric equipment? Is this where it dropped it? Not here. Okay, so must have dropped it under electric equipment. Interesting. Electrical equipment. Do you see it? Now there's one little problem, guys. Remember what did we do to the electrical equipment? We turn them off. So we might have to go there, and what do we do? VV. Okay, so here's it says, oh, are you knucklehead? They're not here. VV. Go turn the electrical equipment on, will you? Here's electrical equipment. You would think that they will electrical equipment, okay. There you go. Here's my panel. Just the equipment. Okay. Here's my panel. I want to see if I can tag it, guys, because I really want to tag. And annunciator tag. Let me see what tag comes with it. Does it really matter? Because all what I need is just call it fire alarm control panel and get rid of the lead, and off it goes, gentlemen and ladies. Here's my fire alarm control panel. Where's the lead? Where's the lead? I thought I got rid of that. Fire alarm control panel. There you go. Okay, here you go. It was two of them. Okay, so you got yourself a fire alarm control panel. Joe, before you leave, buddy, old Bell, and I'm gonna go circuit that baby. Where's my my receptacle panel? Where am I here? Right here. Okay, so let's go to circuit it. Click on the fire alarm panel. It should show power. Where's my system here? A fire alarm. Click on it. Okay, electrical. One of these should show power. Which one of them?
Right there, that's the only thing I have is the fire alarm button. When you click on that, you can say like select panel.
Okay, fire alarm. Click on that one. Select panel. I don't know. This is for selecting panel low voltage though. Yeah, this is for low voltage. Wow, it doesn't have a connector on there. Doesn't have a connector on there.
That's it.
Electrical circuit. There you go. Electrical circuit. Add panel. See what. Okay, we don't have any panel. Why don't we have any panel? Because it doesn't have a connector. Okay, we need to add a connector to it. If you don't have any panels, guys, they're showing up because it doesn't have an electrical connector. Okay, let me see. Can I just do one little thing here? Click on it, guys, and go edit family. Edit family. Okay, here's the connector that it has. Okay. Right, that's the connector that I have. And where is the unit? Load to family voltage, geometry. Okay, connection, connect equipment, reassign, create. Okay. I might have to think of that one, guys. I forgot. I have to go load it and add a family for it. Electrical connector. Here you go. Electrical connector. And you can touch any surface. All right. So, and then assign an electrical connector to it. Here you go. And assign 120 volt. Oops. What did they do, Chad? 120. I'll show you in a second here. Let's just assign 100 watt for it. 100 volt. Okay, one more time. Let me close this one and walk you guys through this one now that I know. No. Okay, do me a favor. One more time. Did you guys drop the fire alarm? Click on the fire alarm. Cool. Then go edit family. Everybody's there?
Hold on a second, I was thinking.
Okay. Edit family. When you go to edit family, you're working? Is it working?
Not responding now.
Not responding? Okay, let me finish and I can help you individual, will you? When you go to edit family, guys, can you guys make sure you're at home where it says home? Make sure you're home. Home, home, home. Do you see electrical connector? So basically the panel has not been assigned a connector, a power connector to it. That's what happened. So I'm going to go assign a power connector to it. Can you guys see that? Make sure you're in home first. Click on connector. Touch anywhere in the panel. One of these walls. Can you guys see that little circle, green circle? Now this, anywhere inside, anywhere here. Okay?
What if mine only has a vertical circle?
Doesn't matter as long as you drop and touch any wall. And when you touch it, guys, pick that circle, pick it. It allows you to assign a voltage to it. Can you guys see that? Make 120. Oops. One more time. 120. And assign, let's, I don't know, 300. So it's going to be a circle for it. Let's assign a load of 1, 2, 3. 1,000, 1K for it. That's more than what a panel will handle. 1K, 1,000 volt amp. Did you guys do that? Apply it. Load in project. I can help you individual if it doesn't work. Override existing. And now the last thing I want to do, click on it. Circuit. Select panel. And does it want to do it? Okay.
Is it coming out for MP or?
Yeah, I don't know where it's coming off.
Oh, I don't think you were selected on it.
Did it?
I did assign a. Oh, maybe you didn't assign a voltage here for it.
Mine works, so.
Did it yours? Okay, so maybe I didn't. I didn't assign a voltage here. Should be assigned a voltage here is 120. Okay, so circuit yours worked. Select panel. Or maybe my panels are not assigned. Okay, so it works for you. Maybe my panels are not assigned distribution system.
So does it go on MP?
Use the, let's put this one in lighting panel. Let's put it in the lighting panel. Okay? Assign the lighting panel to it, guys, and off it goes. Why is not? Okay, so we got that ourselves. Which panel is that one? Lighting control panel. I have recess 240. Yeah. I think because, no, I think because of, okay. Well, it works for you. That's good. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Any comments? Any questions?
Yeah, mine.
What we did, my friends, is I'll be with you in a second.
Yep.
We have E7 to lay out all the low voltage equipment fire alarm security point and data. No circuiting at all, except for the panel from the power lighting panel, security circuit. Then we have the riser. You have two options: draft and Revit, or draft in CAD and import to Revit. Either or. And that's it. That's the low voltage stuff. Any comments, guys? Any questions? That's enough to get you kicking. Let's do that.
All right, so let me close that one and get you up and running. Okay.